Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be talking about how you can print out web pages almost from all websites in an easy manner using an extension which is available in Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge and Firefox, which are the three most prominent browsers when it comes to Windows PCs. I'm not sure whether this is available in Safari. Printing out web pages can be quite cumbersome at times with all the ads displaying and many other things. So let's dive straight into it. Make use of the timestamps below to understand the browser in which I am going to demonstrate it. First, let's use the Google Chrome one since it's the most popular one. Let's go here, customize and control. Then let's go to settings. From there, let's go to extensions. Click over here and go down and open Chrome Web Store. Click here. Now you can see that you get all the extensions here. Let's go ahead and search for print friendly. This is the name of the extension, print friendly and PDF. Let's add it to Chrome. When the prompt comes, click on Add Extension. There you go. If you're signed in using your Chrome browser, then you can sync across all devices. So you might already know that. Well, here is the extension. Let's pin it. In case it doesn't come here, you can always pin it using this icon over here. Now I've opened my blog over here, which I have not updated for quite a long time. Let's go to this article. You can see that there are plenty of images, and in this scenario it might be useful, but then again consider a scenario in which you don't want these images, or there might be ads on the right side or the left side. Then all you have to do is go here, and here this text box you can adjust text settings. If you want it smaller, you can do that. If you want it larger, you can do that as well. So let's keep it at default, and this is the image size. This is one nifty trick, so you can still keep the images and make it small. Maybe not this small, 50% will be fine, I guess, for all the demonstration purposes. So let's revert it back to 100%. Now you can click on the things that you don't want. Say if you don't want my name over here, delete. Click and delete. Click the images, click the caption, click delete again. So once you are satisfied with what you have, you can go to print if you have a printer, or you can download it as a PDF as well. So if you click here which says PDF, they'll prepare the PDF for you, and then you can download the PDF. So there you go. Now you can save it and use it for reference. So that's how you do it in Google Chrome. Now let's go to Firefox. Go up here to the menu. Go to add-ons, or you can use Ctrl+Shift+A, which is mentioned over here. It's quite easy. Just search here itself. Press enter, and there you go. Again a prompt comes, press add. If you want, you can allow this to run in private window also, which I don't want. Let's press OK, got it, and you're all set. You can do the same as before. From here the steps are quite similar, so you can go back and check it. I will again mention the timestamp in the description. Well, now let's go to Edge. Here you have to go to extensions, then click this one, get extensions for Microsoft Edge. From here it's straightforward. Get and add extension. Okay, and that's done. For now, let's go over here, and there you have it. So that's how you use this nice little extension called print friendly and PDF. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you found this useful. If you found it useful, share it among your friends and hit the like button if you found this useful. See you guys in the next one. Until then, take care and stay safe.